Okay, Jacqueline, I'm back. Sorry about that. It cut off before I had a chance to end it. So I'm going to um, show you how to move around on this online student services page. And you may not have gone all the way down here, but this is really helpful too. You can just go to these little movies and learn a little bit more about the library, the Writing Center, Advising Career, and the Help Desk. And I'd suggest, actually, if you're not sure what version you're working on with Word, then ask the help desk how to find out, and or the technology help desk, and they should help you. That's what they're there for. So also there's these links to Online Writing Center and Smart Thinking, and you can get as much help from these areas as you can, and I think that'd be smart. These are also cheat sheets where that gives you little tip sheets on how to do it. Um, and I've benefited several times from clicking the Ask the Librarian because I have questions even too. So these are really helpful for you. Now, getting back to your paper, I'm going to show you a couple of things here. I cut and pasted your um, comments from discussion board 5.1 in here, and I thought I would show you how to read the code a little bit underneath what you've done. Okay, so you can figure out where you've put made push buttons. For example, by clicking this paragraph symbol here under, it's in my paragraph section of this whole thing. At the top is called a ribbon, I believe, and I call these top things tabs. Okay, so I'm in the home tab, the paragraph section of the ribbon. A lot of terms. Okay, so then I click this and click it on, click it off. It's annoying to have it on, but it's helpful to find things. And each time you see this paragraph symbol, it means you've pressed enter. So let me show you. I'm pressing enter. Boom, it puts it right in there. And then I'm deleting it. Okay? And every time there's a little tiny thing that looks like a degree symbol, that's a space. So I can tell if you've even got a space. See? So you're not actually, you seem to be spacing and, typing like a typewriter. So why don't you try to transition a little bit more to the computer um, keyboard, and it really helps a lot because when you transfer information, cut and paste things, you're also cutting the code, and then it's going to look weird in other screens. So um, I thought I'd show you that. See, I just got rid of your spaces, extra spaces. And I can tell that you're hitting the enter key where you think the end of the line is. So for example, let me take this out. There's a space there. That's really how you want it to look. You want it to wrap that way. And then here you want it to wrap that way. Oh, you can't do that. Okay. Now another thing that's really helpful is the spell checker. And I'm going to put a little video on for the announcement, but I wanted to show you a little bit differently. So you click on review, and over here you click on spelling and grammar, and then you can start at the beginning and highlight this whole section. Oops, start at the beginning and go through the whole thing. And it says reading your information, and so it suggests putting a comma there. And then it gives you the rule, makes you decide. If you are right, then just ignore it. I think it's debatable. I'll just go ahead and change it so you can see it puts it in. Oops, that's something else. Um, put that in there. And then the next thing it found, I don't know where it was, but okay, let's just go up the top here. Whoops, it keeps going to the top of this. Oh, sorry about that. Ah,